I was just a little careless putting the fuel injectors back on. So that's number 4 right there. Man, it's hard to get on camera. And it was leaking real bad. Number 2, you can see a little bit better right there. It seemed fine. Number 4, where are you? So I'm just gonna turn the key on with the bracket left off. That bracket there. Covered the fuse box. See if it does. I'm not gonna start it. I'm just gonna turn the key on. Clicky click. I still see fuel. It's still dripping down there. What the heck? No. Can't tell for sure if it's still. Yeah, I just saw it drip. I did identify my problem. I compared, ooh, it's gonna be hard to focus. I did right there. Come on, focus. A little more light would do, but there's a little slit in the crack in that seal. All right, it's gotten dark because I had to drive around town looking for this part and then also pick up kids. So this is the old, I don't know what you call it, boot cap. I think it's a boot. And it looks like, you know, very specific shape. And I got this Fel-Pro kit from AutoZone, which says it's for 2009 Subaru. So this is the new one on there. And you can see, obviously it looks different, but you see how it's got, you know, kind of looks like pressing into the head. You know, you can see how it would shape over time, like the old one. And I put a new O-ring on here, but not this other piece. I don't see anything that looks like that. And even when I had them in the car, those things aren't really tight. It's just, I'm not sure if it serves a whole lot of purpose, honestly. So I'm not doing anything with that. I did replace this O-ring. I'm not gonna replace it on the other one. It wasn't leaking. If it ain't broke, I ain't fixing it. You know, but I've got more here if I need them. So we're gonna slap that in, see if it works. Okay, the one I replaced was great, didn't leak. The one I didn't replace leaked like a sieve. Probably, you know, because it's not even, which makes sense. I was just trying to shortcut. But I would say if you do one, do them both on, you know, a side.